Bravo! Meg Tremble as judge rejects Duchess's demand to appear on Zoom for Samantha trial. No way! Meg shocked as judge rejects her bribe to appear on Zoom in Samantha trial. We finally have an update on the Samantha Markle versus Meghan Markle case currently taking place in Florida. The next court date is November 8th, which is November 9th in Australia for those interested. In addition, according to a certain grift, Meghan tried to perfect her appearance on Zoom. However, Meghan Markle's latest proposal was rejected by the court. She has to go to court. Meghan wanted the argument to be conducted over Zoom so her attorney wouldn't have to travel to Florida. The judge appears to have rejected that motion, and the lawyers must appear in person. Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell put her foot down earlier this year. The judge dismissed part of the case over Scobee's book, but will hear arguments related to the Oprah interview. So why is Meghan so determined to hold the trial on Zoom? Well, first, it's because Meghan wants to control the story as humanly as possible. Meghan does not like conversation without a script. So whether she goes or not, I have a feeling that neither she nor her lawyer is very good at answering spontaneous questions of a legal nature. We all know that Meghan feels anxious every single time she can't control a conversation. The Oprah interview was her way of keeping that control. However, this is not an interview. This is the court where the judge has the power to decide. Also, it wouldn't be surprising if Markle believes she knows how to behave in a courtroom when playing a lawyer in a suit. Being a lawyer and playing a lawyer on television are, of course, two very different things. Also, a narcissist, she degraded her lawyer to being extremely rude to some, Markle, when telling about her. Furthermore, Meghan doesn't want to see her sister because she knows the truth will not come out, and she has no control just like that. She had no control over Jason not releasing her and Harry's email to the court in a lawsuit against the above letter. About the release of her father's second letter. Finally, with the Zoom conference, it can be recorded, and this is something Meghan wants a copy of the event for any reason, maybe Netflix footage. Sam's goal is to run Meghan's legal bill. Yes, that means all lawyers must appear in court, which means they must pay the lawyer to come to court. The reality is that this case has very little basis and will likely be overturned. I would love to see Meghan stand up in court and have to defend her interview under oath. The court finally said, after months of waiting for Samantha, this will be the third time she will have to fight to save her life. Resolve the lawsuit finally. If she fails, it will be a last chance to resolve the case. If she fails, it'll be a bankruptcy, after a judge told her in March that she had one final opportunity to resolve the case once and for all. However, if successful, not only will she get a trial, Meghan will also have to go through a process called discovery. Until January 2nd, she will turn over to her half-sister the text messages and emails and other documents relating to the case. The trial date has been set for July 2024. Previously, Meghan gave out one-sided information to embarrass Samantha to make people dislike Samantha, and she did it secretly. Meghan lied about it and said that she had nothing to do with the omission of the book, which proved that she intentionally wanted to make Samantha sympathetic to herself. It was so libelous in her interview with Oprah. We could all see her when she lied, but with the book missing, she tried to hide it.